Hey guys, so I want to do a quick video and talk about the settings we have for our actual blog post pages. So here I am inside of a regular blog post that we've uploaded previously, and there are several set of settings that you need to know about. And the first set of settings is located within this layout area over here. Just simply go over to Flow Theme, click on Layout, and here we have our max width for the single blog posts. And you'll see here that we have 700 pixels by default, and this is the width of my current blog post. We can go ahead and change this to 900 pixels. We'll go here, click on Update Settings, and refresh the following page. And you'll see that our content width has changed accordingly. Alright, the next set of settings is also located within this within the layout area as well, and it's related to single blog posts, just right over here. This allows you to set by default whether you want to have a right hand or left hand sidebar on every single post that you publish. So if you know that you'll be using a sidebar pretty much on your blog page and on your blog posts, you can go ahead and select a sidebar to go along with that, so you don't have to manually do that within the backend whenever publishing your new post. All right. So the next set of settings is located within the image sizes area. You'll see here that we are in Flothemes image sizes. And here we have the single page featured image width and featured image height. And this is related to this specific image over here. So you can adjust that depending, of course, on the type of imagery you add and so forth. So if we go ahead and expand this to, let's just say, we'll do the standard 1200 by 800, just like that, and we'll click on Update Settings. We'll refresh the following page once again. Okay, and you'll see that our image over here has changed. This guy's hand's not cut off anymore, and the image is just slightly larger. So yeah, this is the settings that we have within the image sizes area. Our last set of settings is located within our post settings over here. So within our blog post settings, first of all, we have this option to enable or disable the decoration image, which is just this image above our post title. Next off, we have the ability to enable or disable similar posts, and then also adjust the criteria for the similar posts, and that could be same categories or same tags as well. Down below, we have our single blog post layout type. This is by default. This is what it looks like, just a single column. Or you can adjust this view whereby you have the text on the left-hand side and the imagery on the right-hand side. And then over here we have our pagination type. Now currently, if we just scroll over to the side of the screen, you'll see that we have our previous post with just this little icon over here, and we can switch over to our posts. Or you can switch to have arrows at the bottom of your blog post. They will be located just right over here, and you can switch previous and next posts. All right, and then we have distance between the images in between the posts. Currently it's set at 20 pixels. This is this distance over here. So you can adjust that. You can add your padding for your single titles and so forth. Enable or disable social media sharing by default. Auto set featured images. What this means is if you do not upload a featured image, the system will pull out the first image within your post and set this as the featured image. Next off, we have show featured image on single blog posts and on list views. So basically you can add a cover image, but if you do not want it to show within this area over here or to be the top image, you can disable that option within this area over here. And then we have show meta entry. Meta entry is basically when the following blog post was published, so the date, and then the category which it is related to as well. And then we have use real-time format. Basically this is related to the date, so we can either have this published on May 27th, or this could be published 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 20 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, etc. So you can adjust that, and then enable or disable Facebook comments, And this is everything in terms of the blog post. But below here we have our general page settings and our gallery settings as well. So we'll go over those settings in a separate video. But so far, this is the entire set of settings we have for our blog post pages. Once again, we do recommend that you go through all of these settings, check out our documentation. That link is in the video description below to make sure that you fully understand how to manage your blog content. And thank you for watching.